Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to schedule events on calendar on ClickUps. Maybe you have upcoming events, so you want to schedule it on ClickUp so you won't forget about it. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can schedule an event on your calendar on ClickUps. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your ClickUp application. Once you open your ClickUp application, you will be directed into your home page. And as you can see, at the upper right corner of your screen, you have My Work and the calendar. To schedule an event on the calendar and ClickUps, simply tap on this calendar. And now, you'll see here the today and tomorrow and the other upcoming days. For example, you have event on Sunday, simply tap on this Sunday. And as you can see in here, you have to write your task name. For example, you are going to church on Sunday, so you are going to type in church. You can also add the description and start date, and you can also add recurring and also add subtask. For this example, I'll just simply tap on this create button. As you can see, the task is created. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to schedule events on calendar and ClickUps, that is the easiest way and know how. If you know another way to add events on your calendar in ClickUps, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.